Hey everyone, sorry for the delay in uploading videos. I really appreciate your patience. From now on, I'll be uploading more consistently. Today, I'm going to show you how to create this cool light effect in Figma in under 2 minutes. Let's jump right in. Start by creating an ellipse. Now, duplicate it and rotate the duplicate by 90 degrees so it forms a cross. Select both shapes and click Union to merge them into one shape. Next, apply a layer blur and set the blur value to 200. Feel free to adjust it to suit your design. Place the shape wherever you want the light effect to appear. Now, duplicate the shape again, scale it down, and change its color. For the finishing touch, set the blend mode to plus lighter to make that glow really pop. And that's it! A simple, quick light effect in Figma. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick design tips.